Are your videos stuck here on YouTube that you're not getting any watch hours, no subscribers, and you are barely getting any views despite how consistent you have been posting? If you have been experiencing this, then this video is definitely for you, because in this video, I'm going to be revealing a secret setting that you need to turn off immediately inside your YouTube studio, okay? Because I found this out recently and I've decided to make a video to educate new YouTubers out there who are experiencing difficulties to actually turn this particular settings off. Because since I turned mine off, I've been seeing increase, okay? I've seen a change in my channel. Despite how new this channel is, there is massive growth, okay? So guys, please follow me while I turn this off and you do the same for yours, okay? Go to your YouTube studio, just watch as I'm going to do it and turn your own off, okay? This is the secret setting that has been holding your videos back. And I'm assuring you that after turning these settings off, you'll be having watch hours, you'll be getting subscribers, and your views will be increased, okay? This is what I found out, and I think you should do it. Please ensure you turn this off in your own studio. Let's get right into this tutorial. So guys, to do these settings, just open Chrome and search for YouTube dashboard, and then it will redirect you back to this desktop site, okay? So now that we're here, what we're going to do, this is my YouTube dashboard, okay? Is just to click on this channel customization, okay? This customization. So instead of profile, we're going to go to this part where it says home tab. Okay, so now that we're here, we need to arrange your home tab, okay? This your home tab is the first thing anybody that comes to your channel sees, okay? This is how you arrange your YouTube videos, okay? So in order for you to get views, don't allow your YouTube videos to be scattered. You need to arrange your home tab. That's why when you go to successful YouTubers channel, you will see that their home tab is arranged. They have videos and latest videos, popular videos. That layout is what we're going to do right here. Okay, so now that we're here, we'll just go to layout. If you want to add any section to this part, you click on layout. I already set my own up. That's why you're seeing all of this, okay? Just click on this add section and then you see all of the things you need to add. You see this channel trailer. This is my channel trailer. This first video you're seeing. I already set up my channel trailer. This channel trailer should be a video that is performing very well. So whatever video you know that you did perfectly well, your presentation, your editing was good, and whatever it is you were telling people or teaching people is actually very, very interesting and engaging, then that should be your channel trailer, okay? That video should be your channel trailer. Then spotlight is for returning subscribers, as you can see. Then you see the for you. These are the arrangement that you need to set up. I already set up my own. I'm explaining to you. I'll still show you mine, all the videos that I put for mine, okay? This for you is also for viewers that are returning, okay? Then we have videos, we have popular videos. Are you seeing popular videos? So I will still go to my channel on the normal YouTube app to show you these popular videos, how you see exactly what I'm explaining. So all of these are layouts that you can add to your home tab. Your home tab is how your videos are arranged in the YouTube app, okay? So you see the layout, you see mine. This is my channel trailer. This channel trailer is the videos that YouTube recommends or suggests to people that actually coming to your channel for the first time, people who have not subscribed. Are you seeing? Is a channel trailer is for people who haven't subscribed. Probably people are searching for your name on YouTube. These videos will be recommended to them first. So make sure it's a very catchy video that can actually convince people to subscribe to your channel and find value in your channel, okay? Then these featured videos, this is for returning subscribers. The reason I use this particular video is because I'm teaching people how to create content without microphones, because some people will say they don't have microphones, that their background noise is too much in their videos. So these featured videos for returning subscribers can actually teach you how to create videos without microphones, because to teach you how to enhance your audio and to sound like a podcast, very, very smooth audio. So you should try and watch out, check out for that video and watch it, okay? Then this for you. This is the actual settings I've been talking about since. A lot of people have not touched these settings since they started YouTube, and it has been a disaster for them not to touch it. So let me explain how this settings. So you see this part where it says more settings, click on it, okay? Let's quickly do this video so it's not be too long. Let's just click on that place. See for you settings, say what to include in the for you sessions. These are all channel types. You say content types, videos. I want only my videos to be my for you. Okay, this for you is what YouTube recommends to people more in your channel. I don't want my shorts to be there because shorts can actually market itself. I want my videos, that's my long form videos, which is the main aim of creating my channel. And then the live stream, I just turn it off for you. You can turn it on if you want. And then this is the main part, guys. Please, you see this recency. your own will be in all content. If you've not come to this home tab before, yours will definitely be in all content, which YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. Guys, please turn it to recent content only, because if you believe it in all content, there are some content that you did many months or years ago that are not even as presentable as the ones you are just doing now, or they might not even be as valuable as your recent content. YouTube will now go and be recommending those videos to your new subscribers or new viewers. Or do you understand me? And you don't really want that. You need your recent content, because the more you upload videos, the better you get. So your recent content will be definitely looking more attractive and more presentable than when you started. So please make sure it's in recent content only, so that your recent content that are very valuable will be recommended to your audience first before any other videos. Okay, these settings actually gives you views. Imagine posting a video today or in 3 days in a row, and YouTube is going to recommend your 5 months ago videos. Your 3 days ago videos will not have views. So this is why you need to put it in recent content only, so that your recent videos will be having views, and then your subscribers will be growing. Okay, so imagine this my channel trailer that I did just in less than a week ago, and YouTube is not recommending that video. They're recommending videos that I did a month ago. It will just be there stuck, no views. So please guys, make sure you turn this to recent content only. Okay, this way it will help you get views and subscribers, and I am experiencing growth on my channel because of this same particular settings. As you can see, my channel trailer, that video is doing excellently well. So please set up all of this and click on done. So when you are done, these are just other videos that I arranged. This is my playlist. This is my popular videos. I see my popular videos is arranged according to how much views it have. Okay, these videos that I are seeing, they are all above 100 views. That's why they are regarded as my popular videos. So these are just basically other settings. Just arrange your videos according to how you like it. And then when you are done, lastly, please click on this publish. Are you seeing publish? Click on publish. So that's it, guys. Now let me go back to my YouTube channel to show you exactly how that popular videos is appearing. Okay, now this is my YouTube channel. The home tab. This is home that I was teaching you in that settings just now. This is home. So look at this, my channel trailer that I told you about just 5 days ago. Is having almost 800 views. And then see that For You, I said recent uploads only. This videos was shot 22 hours ago and it's having 14 views. Look at all the recent uploads. This one is 2 days ago. This one is 1 day ago. Are you seeing it 3 days ago? Because I put it in recent uploads only. If you had put that all recommended or all content, it will be showing you one of 1 month ago and all of that. Okay, so look at these videos that I arranged just now. These are the videos. This is the playlist I showed you, my live stream playlist and my YouTube growth tips. Guys, you should try and check out these YouTube growth tips. It will really help you. Okay, I have everything you need. Starting YouTube, growing YouTube, getting subscribers, and all is all in this playlist. Okay, so check out this playlist and then look at the popular videos according to how it was in that place. Are you seeing it? These are all the popular videos, and this is basically everything you need to do, guys. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to this channel and share this with your like and drop a comment, your questions and your contributions. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.